In late 2017, France and Germany set out their intention to jointly develop and build a future fighter aircraft as part of a wider Future Combat Air System, or FCAS. Spain announced in late 2018 that it is to join the project also. The project, which was approved by the French and German governments in April 2018, will see Dassault and Airbus partner to develop an FCAS system of systems for operational fielding from about 2040. This FCAS will be networked to all of the non-airborne assets such as ground personnel and systems, naval ships and satellites. Although its exact composition is still the subject of national studies, the FCAS is slated to comprise a Dassault-led next-generation fighter to fly in partnership with a swarm of unmanned wingmen. The combination of these two elements will comprise the next-generation weapon system. With the next-generation fighter and its unmanned wingmen forming the core of the FCAS, other elements will include the Airbus-led European Remotely Piloted Aircraft System, or MALE RPAS, an ultra-low observable unmanned combat aerial vehicle, future cruise missiles and other legacy airborne platforms operating in the future battle space. Speaking towards the end of 2018, project leaders from France, Germany and Spain laid out their national requirements for the next generation fighter element of the FCAS in particular and for the wider system in general. France is building its requirements around the air superiority and nuclear deterrence missions that the aircraft will be expected to perform. Both of these missions require that a pilot is in the cockpit, either for performance or political needs, and Dassault is currently exploring 4 design concepts for the aircraft. Germany has noted a broad range of missions for the fighter that broadly mirror those already conducted by today's combat aircraft. One additional capability, however, is the need to be a control ship for unmanned aircraft. To prosecute the Luftwaffe's requirements in the future operating environment, the Next Generation Fighter, or FCAS, will utilise advanced cyber capabilities, mass data, radar developments, hypersonic weapons, unmanned and swarming technologies, quantum computing, advanced robotics, access to space, augmented reality and 3D printing. Spain has the requirement that it be involved as a partner rather than a customer, based upon 3 pillars of sovereignty, participation and added value. In terms of the programme timelines, a formal development contract between the 3 countries is slated for January. The release of a common operational document is due in 2020, with a demonstrator platform to be built and flown in about 2025. Between 2025 and 2030, the design will be fine-tuned ahead of the specifications being frozen in time for an in-service date of between 2040 and 2045.